Hey, and welcome to this demo of Live Video Bot. It's a brand new software that lets you live stream to Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram all from one dashboard. Now, why was Live Video Bot created? The benefits of live video are pretty easy to be able to see. Here we are on YouTube, and as you can see at the top of the feed is live recommendations. It's got a number of live videos that it's recommending me to watch to be able to engage me quickly right from the homepage. This is because YouTube is giving preference to live video to help boost this. The platform is doing the work for you. As you can see on my subscriptions on the left, the two at the top here have this little red dot next to them. This means they're live. So YouTube's doing all the work for me for these brands to be able to get it in front of their viewers. Again, if I go over to Facebook, it gets preference on the newsfeed. There is a lot of live video on the newsfeed popping up above other things. This is because the algorithm is giving it preference over standard post content, even normal video. So as you can see here, we've got someone using live video as an example, and you can see people commenting on it and starting to engage with it. Okay, so that is where it happens. If we go over onto Instagram, here's an example of Instagram, and you can see up the top, one of my friends has gone live, and this has got preference even on the stories part. So Live Video Bot has been designed to be able to take advantage of all of this right from one dashboard. So let's jump into the software and have a look at how it works. This is it. This is the basic dashboard for Live Video Bot with all the analytics and things. Let's take a look at how to go about creating a stream quickly and easily. So I'm going to click Schedule a Stream up here. It's going to load up the wizard for me. From here, I can choose whether I want to go on Facebook or YouTube and Instagram. So I'll choose YouTube and Instagram for this demo and click Next. Enter a playlist name. So this is based because on the Pro version, you can create entire playlists. On the basic version, this is basically your stream name. So I'm going to call this the demo video stream, and I'm going to click Next. Select video. You get a full video library with this, so I can add a video. I can choose my video, so I'm going to call this one, we will use this one as the demo video for Live Video Bot. Okay, what I'll do is I'll put in my description as well. This is going to go as my YouTube description, so I'm going to just go demo video for Live Video Bot. Okay. Now I can choose if I want this to go onto YouTube or Instagram or both. So I'm going to choose my YouTube channel, and then I can choose the Instagram as well. You can connect a number of these up depending what plan you have. Now I need to select my video, so I'm going to select the main video that I want. So I've got a number of videos already loaded up into this, so I'll use this test content. And what I can do is I can build out a video with an intro and outro built in as well. So if you have a face to screen recording, you could use that as an intro and an outro as well, and Live Video Bot will build out the entire video for you. So I can choose this as an intro, I can choose this video as an outro if I've got it synced up on my library. Okay, and then I can choose a thumbnail as well from a number of things I've got uploaded, so I will use that one there and click done. So that has got it all there. What I do is I select the video I want, because if I want to upload multiple videos or select different videos for a playlist, in the Pro version, we'll cover that in a Pro demo. Okay, so I can add this to all the events, upload it all, and what you can do as well is you can show subtitles during a live broadcast. Because this is using pre-recorded content, Live Video Bot will pick up the voice and translate it into subtitles, which you can then put over the video. So when it's going out live, it'll show subtitles. That's because a large number of people watching live do not actually have the sound on their phone. So we can actually go show subtitles if we want subtitles as well. Okay, once we've done that, we select everything we want. We can have it up to YouTube, Instagram, and a rotation option. So there it all is there. I choose what time I want it to go out, so I can go 11:30 AM, for example, and that is that. I just click Next. Once we're up here, we select the date, so I want it to go out on today's date. I can choose how often, if I want it recurring, that's a Pro option as well. Can choose the category for YouTube, so I will go about science and technology. Can select the privacy for YouTube, and then if there is daylight savings time, I can select this to correct it if I so wish. Once I've done that, I simply click Finish, and it will say data uploading successfully, and that will have it scheduled to go out on YouTube and Instagram. Simple. So that is that. Now for the Facebook's stream, it is a similar system. If I go schedule a stream, I go through the playlist wizard in the same order. However, I go Facebook, I go next, I go playlist. I'm going to call this Facebook demo. I click next. Now I can choose my video, and then when I go into the video, I need a title. So I go Facebook demo, and it asks for a stream key. So instead of connecting via an app, Live Video Bot uses a stream key. We found this in testing to be a lot more reliable. So if I go over onto a Facebook fan page, for example, and I want to click on live, I'll click on live here. I click connect. And then what I do is I copy this stream key here. I copy this into Live Video Bot. I select my videos like I did just before, so I can choose any video I decide, and I click done. Now all I have to do on Facebook is I need to create the event here on the right in Facebook. So I'm going to say demo event, title, demo event. Okay, and then all I do is I click schedule. I schedule the time I want it to be, so I'll go today. I will make it 11:15 AM, and I can upload my thumbnail here, just like scheduling a standard Facebook Live event. I click schedule, and that'll schedule that 11:15 AM. So it'll say here we plan to go live with the time. Oops, that's the one I just scheduled before, but it will have an event created to go live. Now what I need to do here is I just use this for exactly the same. Facebook, I choose the date today, and I choose 11:15 AM. Once I've done that, I click next, and then I click finish. It has the time here, schedule time. I click yes, I agree, and Live Video Bot will stream this from your library onto Facebook at the time using the stream key. It's a much more reliable way than using an app, but the best bit is you don't even have to, you don't even have to be logged into Live Video Bot for this to go out. It'll automatically do it for you right from your dashboard. Very quick, very simple, very easy way to be able to utilize the power of live video without having to go about having your computer on, go live yourself, allowing you to be able to broadcast high quality content with all the benefits of homepage preference, newsfeed preference, even SEO benefits with live video. So that is Live Video Bot in a nutshell. Check it out on the page for more information about what this is all about.